Hi, I'm Joanna Studham. I'm the colour curator at Farrow and I've been very enthusiastic about art all my life. So it's a huge, huge privilege to be in a very small part of the transformation of the National Portrait Gallery where we are today, and it's still actually being transformed, as you might hear in the background. So we're here to start with in this corridor, which is painted in dovetail, a really warm grey, which has a little bit of lilac undertone. And what was important about that is that we wanted to have something quite neutral in the centre, a neutral spine, as it were. And then when you come here into this room at the end, is a slightly stronger tone, Charleston grey. This is something we do all the time at Farrow. We layer colours together because they both have a little bit of lilac undertone to them. And I'll show you down the corridor where we pick up on more lilacs. And one of the reasons that we chose this really rich colour, brinjal, is because it just shows off the art so well. It makes the art feel like the star. My favourite picture here of Emmeline Pankhurst has a really sort of soft style to it, but you can sort of feel her steely resolve somehow, and I feel she'd be very happy sitting here against brinjal. And now we've come into the Pioneers Room, which is painted in green smoke. And I love that combination between the aubergine colour of brinjal and the green here, which feels so sort of amazingly familiar and is the perfect colour to hang art against. And the reason these two colours work together so well is because they are literally the colours of the humble aubergine. So nature very rarely gets it wrong, so you can always take your lead from there. And for me, the most exciting thing when I was allowed to come back into the gallery to see when it was first painted was to see this portrait of the Bronte Sisters, painted by their naughty brother, Patrick, who actually has been obscured from this painting. But it was just fantastic to see how the green smoke and the brinjal were both brought up in this picture, and it actually reduced me to tears. And here we are, we've got the brinjal wing, we've got the green smoke wing. Here we've got the spine of dovetail in the middle, which feels very, very neutral. Whereas upstairs, the hallway is painted in really rich Hague blue to create some sort of drama as you come out of the lift or off the escalator. So I hope you've enjoyed this little whirlwind tour. I can't tell you how amazing it is to have this visual treat of the National Portrait Gallery. I can't encourage you enough to come.